Agile is a flexible, iterative framework for project management and product development that emphasizes collaboration, customer feedback, and the continuous delivery of high-quality results. Unlike traditional models that rely on extensive upfront planning and sequential phases, Agile encourages teams to break projects into small, manageable increments, often called sprints, during which they design, build, test, and review parts of the project. This iterative process not only enables teams to respond rapidly to changes in requirements and market conditions, but also fosters an environment of continuous learning and improvement. Agile is grounded in core values such as prioritizing individuals and interactions over rigid processes and tools, embracing change even late in development, and maintaining a strong focus on delivering functional, valuable outcomes to customers throughout the project lifecycle. By regularly engaging with stakeholders, Agile teams gather real-time feedback that informs adjustments to the product, ensuring that the end result closely aligns with the user's needs and expectations. Daily stand-up meetings, sprint reviews, and retrospectives are key practices within the Agile framework, designed to promote transparency, improve communication, and identify opportunities for process enhancements. Overall, Agile is more than a set of practices. It is a mindset that empowers teams to be adaptive, collaborative, and resilient, ultimately leading to faster innovation, reduced risk, and a product that truly resonates with its intended audience.